When animals are rescued off the street, it can be difficult to figure out how they ended up there or what their lives were like before finally being rescued. Shelter workers and veterinarians try to make educated guesses, but sometimes they miss crucial parts of the story. That's what happened when Klaus was rescued from a raccoon trap in Texas. Workers at the Austin Animal Center pegged him as one-year-old kitten, but were later surprised to learn just how wrong they were. Klaus the cat was found in a raccoon trap in a junkyard in Texas, covered in dirt and grease, and was severely underweight. Thankfully, the Austin Animal Center decided to take the poor little guy in. They estimated that Klaus was probably a year old, and at first they were worried that he might be feral. However, after just a few days at the shelter, he began to warm up to his caretakers. They could tell Klaus was underweight and likely malnourished, so the AAC workers weren't surprised when a vet informed them that Klaus was anemic. They were shocked, however, to learn that he was actually 9 years old. The AAC was lucky enough to find somebody to foster Klaus, and they hope that in a more stable environment, his health will improve and he'll begin to put on weight. Also, so far he's been resistant to bathing, but they hope once he's more comfortable being handled, they can scrub him up and have him looking like new. In the meantime, the AAC is currently trying to find Klaus a forever home. Nobody's quite sure what his life was like before he was rescued, but there's no doubt that he's on his way to a more stable and loving environment than he's known for a long time. Now, Klaus must be aging pretty darn well for them to be so wrong about his age. I hope you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon to never miss the video from our channel.